Welcome to Exams Ready. India Post recruitment for 2020 has released. In this video, I'm just going to share you details regarding this recruitment process. India Post recruitment 2020 for Himachal Pradesh Postal Circle, and this notification for the post of Gramin Dak Seva Cycle 3, and they are inviting application from eligible candidates. And at first the post name is branch postmaster, and the job profile of branch postmaster will include managing affairs of branch post office and India Post Payment Bank IBP, and then assistant branch postmaster ABPM post, and job profile of this post will include all function of sale of stamps, stationery, conveyance and delivery of mail at doorstep, deposits, payments, other transaction under IBPI, and then assisting branch postmaster in counter duties using the handheld device smartphone supplied by the department. And then third post is Dak Sevak, and the job profile for this is it will includes all functions such as sales of stamps and stationery, and then IBP work in department post office by RMS. And then time related continuity allowance for this is, that is pay scale for BPM post minimum if your working hour is 4 hours, and you will be pay scale is rupees 12,000, and if you are working for 5 hours your pay scale is 14,500. And for ABPM by Dak Seva post minimum 4 hours you are working, you will be get 10,000, and if you are working for 5 hours minimum you will get 12,000. And then eligibility for this recruitment is at first age, so age limit for this GDS post will be 18 and 40 years respectively as on 7/10/2020, and it is relaxable for SC/ST candidates is 5 years, and for OBC it is 3 years, and for EWS economically weaker section it is no relaxation, and for PWD candidates it is 10 years, and for PWD plus OBC it is 13 years, and for PWD plus SC/ST it is 15 years. And then educational qualification for this recruitment is you must pass secondary school education, that is 10th standard, with passing marks in mathematics, local language and English, and you have been studied as compulsory or elective subject conducted by any recognized board or school education by Government of India, state governments, union territories in India shall be mandatory for educational qualification. And then compulsory knowledge of local knowledge, so you must have studied the local language at least up to 10th standard. So compulsory or as elective subjects you need to study local language of Himachal Pradesh, and they had given languages, so I'm just giving that link in description box, you can check that your local language. And then basic computer training, so you must have a basic computer training course certificate of at least 60 days duration from any computer training institute which is run by central government, state government, universities or boards, private institutions, organization. And this recruitment of basic computer knowledge certificate shall be relaxable in any cases where a candidate has studied computer as a subject in matriculation or class 12th. And then residence, so the building may be owned by Gram Panchayat or central government or by state government or such as school or offices of BPMs. Own house or a proper rent accommodation is in a busy place of the post village. And then location of branch office must be located in main busy part of the post village. And size of the branch post office is less than 100 square feet, preferably 10:10 dimension in the ground floor. And then approach, branch post office should have direct access approach from village road and should be located in front portion of the building. And then structure of branch post office, accommodation should preferably be a brick mortar structure to ensure safety and security. And then power supply, the post office rooms should have electrical power connection for charging and handheld device, and for fan, electricity bulb, etc. should have suitable place to install solar panels. And then knowledge of cycling, so knowledge of cycling is mandatory for all GDS posts. So in case you have knowledge of riding a scooter or motorcycle, you will be considered as a knowledge of cycling only. And then adequate means of livelihood. Those who are applying for this post, note that you will have adequate means of livelihood to support you and your family from other sources, so as to have to supplement your income. And then furnishing of security and engagement as GDS, you must engaged shall be required to furnish security in such manners may be prescribed from time to time. And then the existing security amount in case of branch postmaster and other approved categories of GDS is ABPM and Dak Sevak is rupees 1 lakh. And then accommodation for locating branch post office, those who are selected for engagement of BPM shall have provide centrally located accommodation in branch post office village within 30 days for use of post office premises. And then fulfillment of other terms and conditions, terms and condition of engagement to GDS post shall apply stipulated in the relevant rules of GDS rules 2020. And then you want to provide a respective certificate if you are SC, OBC, person with disability, economically weaker section, relaxation you need to provide a certificate for that. And then method of engagement will continue to be as an online engagement process for engagement for all categories of GDS. And then transgender means a person whose gender does not match with the gender assigned to the person at birth, and include trans man or trans women. An exemption of fee for applying on GDS post is, so for men candidates it is rupees 100, so you want to pay 100, and it is exempted for you are OBC, EWS male and trans man, so you have to pay rupees 100, and it is exempted for all female and trans women candidates and all SC/ST candidates and all PWD candidates. And then option for applying on GDS post, so you can apply for maximum of 20 posts all over India per cycle of online engagement. So you can apply for 20 posts on a single application spread across the circle or several circles. And then selection criteria, so selection criteria is based on merit list only, so no weightage will be given for any higher educational qualification, only marks obtained in 10th standard is approved for this merit list. And then those who have both marks and grades in the mark list, you have to apply with marks only, no grade is eligible for this application process. So if you are having grades by points, so with the multiplication factor 9.5 against the maximum point or grade as 100. And then if you get same marks, the merit order would be taken regarding your date of birth, higher age is given preference for this merit list. And then you can apply maximum for 20 posts per cycle of online engagement. And if you opt for 5 posts with preference of post 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 etc., and you selected as meritorious in more than one post, the post in the order of preference will be offered to the candidate. For all remaining posts will be fortified. And then if they find your submitted application is incomplete, they will reject your application. And then cycle of notification, it includes in a year of all circles will notify required GDS vacancies in one or more times. Each time will be referred with cycle number. If you have uploaded any wrong documents or information unnecessarily documents in, you will be not considered for this selection process, and you will get an SMS on his provisional selection on the prescribed date after selection. And the department is not responsible for non-receipt of email or SMS by the candidate. And the Department of Post does not make any phone calls to the candidate. So be aware of that too. And then who can view his or her application state in the website by providing the registration number and mobile number till the result are announced. And how to apply for this? You want to go through the notification clearly and then go to India Post. So if you are eligible for the circle by post, you can apply for this using online registration. So one registration is made by one candidate. If they found 2 or more application, they will reject you. So in case of duplicate registration, so you will be in change of father name, date of birth, applying one registration with your category. So likewise, you are treated as duplicate registration, and you need not submit any physical application to this recruitment. And then while selecting board name, candidates must ensure they are selecting the correct board or not. And then you want to upload all mandate documents such as photo, signature, SSC certificate, community certificate, and other documents should be submitted in legible and clearly scanned manner. And then if there is any blurred in this certificates, this application will be rejected. And you should ensure that you are making fee payment before making the payment. Fee once paid will not be refunded. And you are advised to submit the online application with your own interest only. And online application submission so will be accepted from the candidate. So candidate who desire to apply for this online will have to register herself in the portal of indiapost.gov.in or else appost.in by GDS online, and it will affect from 7/10/2020 to 6/11/2020. So application starts today. So and last date for this is 6/11/2020, and you need to fill the above details for this registration. It includes your name, it must be in capital letters, and your father name, mobile number, and you will get unique one-time registration number via your mobile number, and then date of birth, gender, community, if your type of disability, so percentage of disability you want to fill, and then state in which 10th standard class passed, and then board in which 10th class passed, and year of passing 10th class, and then 10th class certificate number by roll number, it is optional. And if you are transgender, you want to issue a certificate. And then this only one registration is allowed for one candidate. And then fees payment for OBC, OC, EWS male transman should be ₹100 for each set of 5 options. And you want to make the payment via head post office or the identified post offices in India. And then you can also pay the fee through online mode of payment using the URL provided in the home page. I'm just giving that link in description box, you can go through that. And then payment of fee is exempted for all female trans women candidates. And then before application, so you want to upload documents for this recruitment process, and I will share you. So you want to upload 10th class SSC certificate. So this combined marks memo, so it must be in JPG or JPEG format, and size must be in 200 KB and not exceeding A4 size, and it is very mandatory. And 10th class SSC mark sheets by grade points for the candidates having certificate and marks memo separately. So it also must be in JPG by JPEG format. So the size of this is 200 KB. So it is also mandatory. And then date of birth proof. If date of birth is not in 10th standard class, you want to provide date of birth proof. And it also must be in JPG by JPEG format, and it is also mandatory. And then computer certificate. So it is must be in JPG by JPEG format, and it is 200 KB only, and it does not exceed A4 size. And this certificate may also be submitted to the engaging authority at the time of appointment if got selected. And then community certificate, so it is also 200 KB, and it is mandatory for all categories except for unreserved category. So OBC certificate should be in the form of CG approved creamy lawyer certificate and EWS certificate. And then photo, it must be 50 KB, 200 into 230 pixels preferable, and it is also mandatory. And then signature, it must be 20 KB, 140 into 60 pixels, and it is also mandatory. And then certificate of disability, it must be in 200 KB, it is also mandatory. And then certificate of transgender, in case you are transgender, it is mandatory, and 200 KB the size of the certificate. And these are the things they are given in official notification. For more information regarding this, you can visit our Exams Ready's main portal, or else I am just giving this link in description box. You can go through that and you can check that too. And hope this video is useful for you. Do follow our channel for more and more updated videos. Thanks for watching.